Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm on the CB650F here today, and I wanted to just give you my thoughts on the G2 ergonomic quick turn competition throttle for this bike. So I wanted to install it because primarily I just wanted to get on the gas a little easier, a little quicker. I wanted the bike to, I don't know, just be a little bit more responsive to less input. I guess that's it. I didn't want to have to crank my wrist too much to get on the gas. And for fine control, you know, like just around corners or what have you, I find it's improved that. So it's doing everything I want it to do. I can get on the gas quicker. And like I say, it reduces the time it takes to do any other kind of control on the throttle. At first, I was a little concerned that it was going to be a bit jerky. Ooh, good patch of gravel there. Yeah, I was concerned maybe it would be a bit jerky. But it's not, you know, at slow speed. So I find the control at slow speed is just as good as stock. In fact, in some ways, it's almost better. So I'm glad I did it. I was a little concerned about creating more herky-jerky low-end throttle stuff. But that doesn't seem to be an issue. Just gonna pull over up here and I'll show you the new grips I got. New grips, bar ends. So those are the grips. Domino racing grips. Got them from G2 Ergonomics also. Yeah, I find them a really good company to deal with, so highly recommend. And the bar ends, what I did was I eliminated the stock inner weights. And I installed the driven bar end weights, and these are aluminum weights. They seem to work. I don't have any vibration issues at all. So yeah, that's my general thoughts on it. You know, I think it's well worth it. It's a little fiddly installing it because you don't have a lot of slack that you can create in the cables. You can create some, but the cam on this that these two cables are attached to is larger diameter, which is how it works and creates the shorter throw on the throttle. So if you look at where the top of the D there lines up with that, it's below that little joint line. Okay, there's full throttle. So it's a shorter throw for sure than stock. So to wrap it up, I guess all I can say is it does what it says, and I think it's worthwhile. If you want to make the throttle more responsive, then this is one way to do that. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And if you have any experience with these, let me know what your thoughts are. And I'm going to sign off. So I hope you have a blast, ride safe, and I'll catch you on another one.